Hello beautiful people, welcome to Gabs Kitchen Adventures. Today I'm sharing a recipe that I grew up with, which is beef steak and corn. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Stick around for the step-by-step process. Welcome back to Gabs Kitchen Adventures. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for joining me again. Today I am sharing with you a beef steak and corn recipe that I grew up with. For today's ingredients, you will need 3 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste. You will also need a pinch or 2 of pepper. You will also need 4 to 5 small medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You will also need 3 medium-sized red tomatoes, 2 slices of onion cut into cubes, 1 cup of corn, you will also need about 1.5 pounds of beef stew extra lean, and you could go ahead and cut it extra lean, which I did, into little strips. You will also need about 2 oranges, and you'll go ahead and extract the orange juice. If you don't have fresh oranges, you could go ahead and use about half a cup of orange juice, or you could use as little as even 1/4 of a cup of orange juice. Once the pan is very hot, I went and added the 3 tablespoons of oil, and then I went ahead and added the pieces of beef, and I seasoned the meat with salt, black pepper, and garlic. So from there, I'll stir fry the meat and make sure that it's fried and cooked. Then I'll add the cut potatoes with 1 cup of water and cover for about 8 to 10 minutes. And I'll uncover to check on the softness of the potatoes. I'll let the water evaporate, and when the potatoes are semi-soft, that's when I'll know to add the green chili if I want it extra spicy, or I can opt not to have the green chili, but I will add the onion, the corn, and saute that. Now that the potatoes are semi-soft, I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients, which are the 3 diced tomatoes. And then I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of water to fully cook the meat. I will also add about 1/4 of a cup of orange juice. Again, that's if you're squeezing the 2 oranges. Or if you don't have fresh oranges, you can go ahead and add 1/4 of a cup of orange juice up to 1/2 cup of orange juice. And check the flavor. If you feel that you need a little bit more salt, this is a good time to add salt to taste, and then continue to cover the pan and let it boil. Once it boils, let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then from there it's pretty much done and you could go ahead and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked today's video and would like to see more like this one, feel free to click the subscribe button so you can continue receiving notifications when I post videos on Saturdays, and click the like button if you liked today's video. Thanks again and enjoy your meal.